Talking about hobbies. Simple English speaking practice. A1 to A2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hi, friends. We are happy you are here today.
Today's topic is fun.
Yes! Today we will talk about hobbies.
Hobbies are things we like to do in our free time.
Exactly. Like music, sports, reading.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Are you ready?
Yes! Let's talk about hobbies.
Part 1. Asking about hobbies. Lucy, what do you like to do?
I like to read.
Nice! Reading is good for your brain.
Yes, I love books. What about you?
I like to play soccer.
That's fun. Soccer is very popular.
Yes, I play with my friends.
Practice. Repeat after us.
What do you like to do?
I like to read.
I like to play soccer.
Soccer is very popular.
Very good. Part 2. Talking about music. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Me too. Music makes me happy.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice. I like pop too.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
Oh, she is very famous.
Yes. Do you like her?
Yes, I like her songs. Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What music do you like? I like pop music. Who is your favorite singer? I like Taylor Swift. Excellent. Part 3. Free time activities. What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Nice. What do you watch?
I watch comedies. They are funny.
I like comedies too.
I also play video games.
Me too. What games do you play?
I play FIFA and Minecraft.
Cool. I play Minecraft sometimes. Practice. Repeat after us. What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
I play video games. I play Minecraft. Very good. Part 4. Outdoor hobbies. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like?
I like running.
Great. Running is good for your health.
Yes, I run every morning.
That's very healthy.
What about you? Do you like running?
No, I don't like running. I like soccer.
That's okay. Different people like different sports.
Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like?
I like running.
I don't like running. I like soccer.
Very good.
Part 5. Indoor hobbies. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What do you read?
I read books.
What kind of books?
I read mystery books. I love suspense.
Oh, scary?
Not scary, exciting.
I like comic books.
Comic books are fun.
Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What kind of books?
I read mystery books.
I like comic books.
Excellent.
Part 6. Talking about frequency. How often do you read?
I read every day.
Very good. That's a good habit.
Thank you. How often do you play soccer?
I play on weekends.
Nice. Only on weekends?
Yes. I am busy on weekdays.
I understand. What about TV?
I watch TV every night.
Me too. I watch TV before sleep.
Practice. Repeat after us. How often do you read?
I read every day.
How often do you play soccer?
I play on weekends.
I watch TV every night.
Very good. Part 7. Talking about drawing.
Lucy, do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw.
Really? What do you draw?
I draw flowers and trees.
Beautiful. Can I see someday?
Maybe. Do you like to draw?
No, I am not good at drawing.
That's okay. You can practice. Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw. What do you draw? I draw flowers and trees. I am not good at drawing. Excellent. Part 8. Expressing likes and dislikes. Do you like cooking? No, I don't like cooking.
Haha, okay. Why not?
It takes too much time.
I understand. Do you like cleaning?
No, I don't like cleaning either.
Haha, me neither.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Great. What do you cook?
I cook pasta and eggs.
Yummy. Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like cooking? No, I don't like cooking. Do you like cleaning? No, I don't like cleaning. I like cooking pasta and eggs. Very good.
Part 9. Final practice. Let's repeat important sentences one more time. Listen carefully, then repeat.
What do you like to do?
I like to read.
I like to play soccer.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love pop music.
How often do you read?
I read every day.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking.
Amazing! You are getting better every day.
Outro.
Great job today. Now you can talk about your hobbies in English.
Practice every day. Practice with your family and friends.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
do you like music or sports?
Write your answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.